Before heading out on the water, there are a few things you should do to ensure your safety. Tell someone where you are going and what time you expect to be back. Check the tides, check the wind forecast, and dress appropriately, such as your life jacket, sunscreen, sun-smart clothing, hat and sunnies. Depending on your location, you may also need warm clothes such as a wetsuit and spray jacket, or stinger protection such as leggings and a long sleeve rashi. Be aware of your surroundings, such as other boats rigging or tractors and vehicles also using the ramp. Now let's get your boat rigged up. Check the wind indicators such as your windsock, moored boats or wind pennant. Make sure to turn your boat into the wind. Now it's time to check over your boat. Make sure you have a baler and paddle, tow line, your inspection hatches are tight and your bungs are done up. Make sure to also check your rudder is secure. Now you can get your sails ready. This boat has two sails, so we're going to start with the front one, which is called the jib. First, you want to unpack the jib. Next, you want to attach the tack to the front of the boat. Then you can attach the jib halyard to the top of the sail. It's time to hoist the sail. Make sure to tension your halyard and lock off the halyard well. Then you can attach your jib sheets, ensuring they are through any guides, and tie a figure 8 knot as a stopper at the end of the sheets. Once the jib is done, it's time to move on to the mainsail. Make sure to unpack the mainsail and identify the head, which is the top of the sail. Then you can attach the main halyard to the top. Now it's ready to hoist. Make sure to feed the luff rope into the track on the mast and tension off the halyard. Attach the clew lug to the boom and pull the sail along the boom. Attach the outhaul to the sail. And don't forget to attach the vang to the boom. And remember to check all three corners of your sail are connected.